What it is, man, Jupiter Jack, man. You see the 22. You see the tire size, man. See that? 265, 35, 22. So, but yeah, though, you know what this video about. I told y'all my next update be the headlights. Hey, I forgot to bring the camera when the nigga was cleaning them. You feel me? But so I can't show y'all before and after. But if you want to see a before and after, just look at my previous video, man. So here go the new headlights. Y'all ready for them? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the new headlights? Y'all see the headlights? Y'all see the headlights, huh? Yo, the headlights are all yellow and nasty looking, man. This motherfucking cracker cleaner for $30. It's for $30, man. The side's still yellowish, but shit. I'm gonna be able to see at night again, man. I'm proud. Look at that shit, man. Look at this shit. This shit's so damn shiny, man. Yeah, that's the update. First update video, man. See the headlights. Shit, Jupiter Jack, man. I do this shit. Second update, I don't even know. I might fuck around and get HID next weekend. That's my neighbors, man. They doing their yard and shit. But yeah. Okay, shit. Update. Next update coming soon, man. Buick on 22. Headlight restoration, man.